Behold, the one and only remote control 6000. With this, I can remote control anything.
Really?
Anything? Anything.
Try it out.
Rewind.
Wow! That's amazing!
And there's more.
There's more?
Off.
Wow!
On.
This is just the coolest thing. Oh, no, I dropped my lollipop.
No problem, Ziggy. Rewind.
It came back.
Sure did.
Do it again. Okay, dropping the lollipop.
Rewind.
Ew, Ziggy, that's disgusting. You're eating it off the floor.
Stephanie, it's the 3-second rule. If it lays on the floor less than 3 seconds, then it's fine.
Come on. Let's see what else my machine can do outside.
Yeah!
And I'll make you do your homework triple speed.
What are you waiting for?
Yeah.